Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds from Binance to Bkash. We'll cover the essential steps, from setting up your accounts to completing a secure peer-to-peer transaction. You'll learn how to navigate Binance's P2P platform, select the right buyer, and ensure your funds are safely received in your Bkash wallet. This guide aims to make the process clear and straightforward for you. Before initiating any transfer, it's crucial to have both your Binance and Bkash accounts fully set up and verified. For Binance, this involves completing the Know Your Customer, or KYC process, which typically requires a government-issued ID and sometimes proof of address. Your Bkash account also needs to be active and linked to your mobile number. Once verified, you can add Bkash as a preferred payment method within Binance's P2P section. The core of transferring funds from Binance to Bkash lies in using Binance's peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading platform. First, access the P2P section on Binance and select the Sell option. You'll then choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, such as USD. Filter the available buyers by selecting Bkash as your preferred payment method. Always prioritize buyers with a high number of completed orders and positive ratings for a secure transaction. Once you've selected a buyer, initiate the trade. The cryptocurrency will be held in escrow by Binance. The buyer will then send the agreed-upon amount to your Bkash account. It is absolutely essential to verify that you have received the correct funds in your Bkash account before confirming the transaction on Binance. Only after confirming receipt should you release the cryptocurrency to the buyer. Finally, review the transaction and consider leaving feedback for your trading partner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.